Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if you're feeling kind of left behind by the relentless march of operating system upgrades, you are absolutely not alone. We have all been there. Today, we're exploring a fascinating technological lifeline called Zorin OS. It is rapidly becoming the ultimate soft landing for Windows refugees. Specifically, we are going to dive deep into the absolute biggest headache of switching platforms, and that is exactly how to run your favorite Windows apps on Zorin OS smoothly and flawlessly. Let's get right into it.
240 million. Just let that massive number sink in for a second. That is the industry estimate for the number of perfectly capable, completely functional PCs that are literally going to be left behind by Windows 11's strict hardware gates. If your computer doesn't have the right TPM chip or some brand new processor, Microsoft's upgrade path is just shut tight. It's an absurd chunk of hardware facing the landfill, which is exactly why the solution we're looking at today is so incredibly relevant to all of us.
All right, here's our roadmap for today. 1. The Windows 10 deadline. 2. Meeting Zorin OS 18. 3. The Migration Assistant. 4. Running apps with bottles. 5. Web apps and cloud. And 6. Reviving old hardware.
Section 1. The Windows 10 deadline. So, the reality of this inciting incident is honestly pretty stark. On October 14, 2025, Windows 10 hits its end of life. And that means no more free security updates or tech assistance for home and pro users. You're essentially flying without a net, totally exposed to new vulnerabilities. But here is the contrast. Zorin OS 18 actually gives you a multi-year security runway. Because it's built on the rock-solid Ubuntu 24.04 long-term support base, Zorin guarantees updates through at least April 2029. It beautifully trades that looming deadline for some much-needed, long-term peace of mind.
Section 2. Meet Zorin OS 18. Familiarity by design. You know, the sources use this really great phrase to describe this operating system: low cognitive switching cost. Have you ever gotten a new phone and spent like 3 straight days just trying to find your basic settings? Right, that is a high cognitive cost. Well, Zorin avoids that completely, so you won't feel lost at all. It features a refreshed, super familiar desktop layout. The Start menu is exactly where you expect it to be. It's got drag-to-tile window layouts that behave just like Windows Snap Assist, plus these beautifully rounded themes. It looks incredibly modern, but it acts in a way your brain already instinctively understands. No more of that frustrating foreign OS feeling.
Moving on to Section 3, the Windows Migration Assistant, Smart App Triage.
This directly addresses that immediate fear of app compatibility we all have, and honestly, it's brilliant. Think of it as an intelligent triage desk for your software. Zorin actively detects over 170 common Windows installers the absolute second you try to run them. When you double-click a Windows.exe or .msi file, the OS intercepts it. If there's a native Linux version out there, it immediately points you there. If it's a cloud service, it suggests a web app. If it's a standard executable, it preps a wrapper for you. And for that deep kernel proprietary stuff, it advises setting up a virtual machine. It literally takes the guesswork out completely. It routes you to the absolute best environment without you needing to do a single ounce of research.
Section 4. Running apps with bottles, seamless containers. Okay, let's zero in on that standard executable triage path for a second. I found this concept absolutely fascinating. What exactly is a bottle? Well, it's essentially a mini, completely isolated container dedicated entirely to one specific Windows app. Behind the scenes, it utilizes technologies like DXVK and wine bridges to translate those Windows software calls into something Linux just naturally understands. And the true beauty of this container approach, it keeps the rest of your Linux system perfectly clean and secure. If an app happens to misbehave, no big deal. It's trapped right inside its bottle. And the best part is how incredibly simple this is to actually use in the real world. The steps are literally 1, 2, 3. First, you create a specific bottle for your app. Second, you point it to the .exe installer you downloaded. And third, you just run it. That's it. You never need to touch a scary command line terminal, which I know is a massive sigh of relief for Windows users nervous about switching to Linux. Because Zorin comes with the Flatpak framework pre-integrated, all those complex background components are downloaded and handled completely effortlessly.
To show you how effective this is in practice, our sources highlighted testing common utilities like Rufus and Internet Download Manager. When you run these through bottles, the interfaces appear exactly as they do on Windows. Rufus detects your USB drives perfectly, and IDM handles downloads just like the native application. The software quietly handles all that heavy background translation. And here is the so what, why this matters so much. You don't have to learn new software. You just keep using your existing toolkit, making the whole experience almost completely indistinguishable from using a Windows machine.
Section 5. Web apps and cloud, unbroken workflows.
Now, beyond desktop executables, the next major psychological barrier for migrants is definitely the fear of losing access to Microsoft 365, OneDrive, and all those essential cloud documents. But don't worry, Zorin OS 18 ensures your workflow survives totally intact. It has this built-in web apps utility that easily converts websites into first-class desktop apps. That means Office 365, Microsoft Teams, or Google Docs run in their own isolated windows with their own taskbar icons. This is absolutely crucial for preventing that endless chaotic tab sprawl. Plus, OneDrive integrates directly into the native Zorin Files app using a really convenient Cloud Mountain Browse model, meaning you can navigate your Microsoft Cloud files right from your desktop file manager, starting day one.
Section 6. Reviving your old hardware, avoiding e-waste.
There is a massive, sharp contrast between Zorin OS Lite and Windows 11. All this software elegance we've been talking about has a direct impact on the physical computers sitting on our desks. Zorin OS Lite 18.1 uses the lightweight XFCE desktop and requires only 1.5 gigabytes of RAM to run completely smoothly. Think about that. It also operates with high privacy and zero forced telemetry. Compare that to Windows 11. It demands strict TPM security chips, very specific modern CPUs, high RAM, and it comes totally packed with background data tracking. Zorin literally breathes new life into the exact same machines that Windows 11 completely rejects.
And hey, if you're still feeling a little hesitant, Zorin provides a comprehensive safety net. Setting up a dual boot system alongside Windows is effortless with a simple USB and Rufus. Once you're installed, Zorin can actually natively access your hidden Windows C drive, so you can freely drag and drop your files back and forth. If you're over in Windows, you can just use a free app called Linux Reader to pull files back from the Zorin partition. And if you ultimately decide it's just not your cup of tea, it's an easy single-command uninstallation through the Windows recovery environment to put things back exactly how they were.
So the crucial takeaway here is that you have a choice. As that Windows 10 deadline approaches, you absolutely do not have to throw away a perfectly good computer. With intelligent tools like Bottles for running your Windows apps, plus seamless cloud integration, the transition has genuinely never been easier. We're going to leave you with this thought. Is your PC destined to be a landfill relic of 2025, or are you ready to experience the soft landing of Zorin OS? Thank you so much for joining us for this explainer, and we will see you next time.